Sago palms, aka Cycas revoluta, are a type of tropical palm tree that is native to Southeast Asia. They are a popular choice for landscaping because they are relatively easy to care for and can tolerate a variety of conditions. However, like all plants, sago palms need certain nutrients to stay healthy and thrive. This is a little update on the sago palms that I have been caring for in our house. If you want to see more, I have a playlist of all the things we've been doing related to our cycas. Hello planty friends, this is Martha with The Living Backyard. How do you keep a sago palm healthy? Sago palms are often known as living fossils and need a variety of nutrients, including magnesium, iron, sulfur, like you see here. These nutrients can be found in a variety of fertilizer in different amounts, and it is important to fertilize your sago palm regularly to ensure that it is getting all of the nutrients it needs. Another important nutrients for sago palms are nitrogen, phosphorus, and calcium. These minerals help the plant to regulate its water balance, and it is also essential for the production of chlorophyll, which is, of course, the green pigment that gives plants their color. If your sago palm is not getting enough vitamins, it may start to show signs of deficiency, such as brown or yellow leaves, scorched leaves, tips, and a lack of vigor. Protect them or bring them indoors if you will have a frost, because that can stress the plant. If it loses leaves, just wait for spring and give it some vitamins after you clip the dying leaves. If your cycas is not looking healthy, you might need a soil test to determine the levels of missing nutrients. With these vitamins, I just follow the instructions in the bag. If you want to test it, I will have the link in the description box. Did you know the sago palm has been around for over 200 million years? As a member of the cycad family, it predates the evolution of flowering plants and has survived through several ice ages. Here are some tips for fertilizing your sago palm. Only fertilize your sago palm during the growing season, usually from spring to fall. Use fertilizer that is specifically designed for palms, even when your sago is not exactly a palm. Why are my sago palm leaves turning yellow? If you had a harsh winter, you will see yellow leaves, or if you have watering too much too often. Let the soil dry after applying the vitamins, and if it is in the ground, let the soil dry after applying vitamins if you have it on the ground. And if you notice a sudden yellowing of leaves, check for pests, because the pill bugs love your sago palm too. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up. That will tell the algorithm that you like this type of content and show you more garden and plants videos. Apply the fertilizer according to the directions on the package. How often should you water your sago palms? Water the palm thoroughly after fertilizing it, but do not overwater, especially if you keep your sago in a planter. They like barely moist soil that drains well. Water it about once a week depending on your weather and the season. It will need less water in the winter. A couple of fun facts about your sago palm. Despite its name and the palm-like appearance, the sago palm is not related to true palm trees. Instead, it is closely related to ginkgo trees and conifers. The sago palm has slow growth rate. It can take 10 to 20 years for a sago palm to mature from a seedling to a full-grown tree. In the wild, sago palms can grow to heights of 10 to 20 feet and have a lifespan of over a century. Is Epson salts good for the sago palms? Yes, because it gives the palm some magnesium, so a little diluted Epsom salts is good every few weeks, and you will see it all green and nice. This is the update of the tiny sago palm I transplanted over here, and the flower bed, it still needs a few plants, but it has all the ground cover and is all protected for weeds. And as you can see, the little plant I showed in the last video is growing so nice. It probably needs more vitamins around this time. And if you want to see more plant-related videos, watch the next playlist.